Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Pakfones. In this video we will learn about partitions tab. I don't have much more information about this because this is new for me, and but I can explain something for you to understand better. Maybe I may be wrong, but you can understand by your own knowledge, or by compiling my knowledge and your own knowledge. So let's get started. The first button is this is not a button, this is a title text. So this is for the device category. We have selected none. If we have selected a NAND or identify the NAND, then it will show the NAND. If we selected the UFS, then it will show UFS, I think. And I have connected the eMMC for test, so I will detect it. Let's see. And this button is showing us that we have connected an eMMC and detected. So the next button is for file selection. If we click on it, and we can select any file from the system, and then we can write any partition to the eMMC device. So as you can see, these are not included in the file because of these are also have in partition table, but the partitions are not exist in the file because of 1 GB. Because of this was a 1 GB dump. So if I detect again, then it will detect from the eMMC, and then it will show us. As you can see, we have user data also. And now next button is for reload or refresh. The cancel button is for cancel any work being processed. You can cancel by pressing this. And then read button, we can read selected partitions for the use them later. As I have selected something, and then I can read, then select folder, then go to the read option. And because of our eMMC GPT is outdated or damaged, so the reading function cannot be done this time. Maybe there is a bug in software. And then next button is for writing something. If we select a file, as I have selected, then I will select this, and then let's write the GPT partition table. So maybe it can write. So this is asking for the bin file. As you can see, we have a file selection finished with the warning, do you want to continue? As we can see, the error is being occurred, and the software saying us the partition is not same as we have selected. So I am going to click no, because I don't wanna destroy the eMMC card. This is from a working phone, and I don't wanna break them. So next is erase something. If we select something, and we can erase. And next is fixing table. If we wanna play something, play about the partition table, then we can click on the fix table. Then we have a create table option. Then we have more option: delete, resize, select all, select none. So this video was about the partition tab on Easy JTAG Classic Suite software. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.